Hello, we are beginning with the definition of artificial intelligence. So, when we talk of artificial intelligence, it is shown by the machine in par with the natural intelligence of human is called artificial intelligence. When you compare the human machine intelligence and the human intelligence is natural while artificial intelligence is man-made. So the computer program is made to learn, think and act according to human beings. We can say the two are making machines smart. The best example are speech recognition and image recognition. So according to John McCarthy, the father of artificial intelligence, he says the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs, is defined as artificial intelligence, and that is how he defines artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, as the name suggests, is imparting intelligence to the machines so that the machines operate like human beings. They are just operating like human beings. And it is the section in computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines that work, operate, and react like human beings. Artificial intelligence is used in decision making by the machines, considering the real-time scenario. An artificially intelligent machine reads the real-time data, understands the business scenario, and reacts accordingly. So artificially intelligent machines are designed for speech recognition, learning, planning, and problem solving. So when we talk of problems with artificial intelligence, we look at coding and programming computers for certain functions like knowledge, reasoning, problem solving, perception, learning, planning, and ability to manipulate. So the goal of artificial intelligence is to create intelligence and expert systems. The development began to making systems that exhibit intelligent behavior. The functions that were expected out of these machines are learning, demonstrating, explaining, and advising the users. So to inculcate human intelligence into machines, creating systems and developing software that understands, think, and learn like the human behavior. So what contributes to artificial intelligence? 1. It is essentially science, technology that is based on various disciplines, and like we study computer science, biology, sociology, psychology, linguistics, mathematics, and engineering, all that contribute to artificial intelligence. And we have major challenges in artificial intelligence. One is developing the computer functions that are associated with attributes such as human intelligence, which include reasoning. Coming up with a system that is able to reason, a system that is able to learn, to react, to make a decision and solve a problem is not easy. One or multiple attributes for the one mentioned above can be used to develop an artificial intelligent machine. So we have some systems with and those without the artificial intelligence. The challenges in artificial intelligence are its volume is huge, more than what can be imagined. The program and the guidelines are not at all well organized or well formatted. Hence, it becomes difficult to use it efficiently and keeps changing constantly. Hence, one has to always update it. Some techniques are, it is a process to organize and efficiently use the knowledge so that the providers of the information should be able to perceive it. Making changes to the data and program should be easy and should be easily modified to correct errors. Even though the program being inaccurate or incomplete, it should be useful and in multiple scenarios. So, application of artificial intelligence. It is applied in games like chess, poker, tic-tac, toy. It requires the assessment of real-time data, natural language processing. In order to make the program run efficiently, it is necessary that the machine the language of different users, and the machine should be not only adaptive to various languages but also various dialects and accents. Like the way I speak my English and my Ruchigo, of course, it becomes difficult. So the system has to adapt to that. Expert systems. The main function of an intelligent machine is decision making. These machines require software that accepts the information as input, understands it, weighs various options, and comes to a conclusion. Those are expert systems. Then you have vision systems. Visual input is that form of information that is crucial and difficult to interpret. Hence, a system integrated with intelligence must read, understand, interpret, and comprehend the visual inputs and make decisions based on the information. Examples of these applications are: we have a drone, spying camera, or a spying airplane that takes photographs, videos which are used to understand the map of the area of the figure out spatial information. Clinical expert systems. We have police investigation for facial recognition software, and then we also have we also have speech recognition. Some systems are imparted with artificial intelligence and designed to make them capable of hearing the voice and comprehending the language in order to understand the meaning of the words. Comprehension is not only in terms of the words, but also in terms of sentences, their meanings, and the tone, while human talks in various languages to the system. The software is built to recognize different accents, dialects, slangs, words, background noise, changing in voice modulation, change in the voice due to pain or cold. Then you have handwriting recognition. This kind of software is programmed so as to read the text. This text can be written using a pen or a pencil on a paper. The text can also be on a screen written by a mouse or using stylus. Then we have intelligent robots. Robots are machines that are programmed as the slaves built to perform the tasks. So of course, I'm going to talk about robots in the next video. The error rate, advantages, of course, the error rate when compared to the human counterpart is much lower. The precision, accuracy, and speed with artificial intelligence systems is incredible. It works with equal efficiency in hostile environment, and of course, repetitive, monotonous, and tedious tasks can be taken care of without losing on efficiency. Prediction and decision making is perfect, among others. Some of the disadvantages: building, of course, and rebuilding and repairing requires skilled professions. Storage is expensive. Access and retrieval of data from memory may not be as efficient as the human system. Machines can be programmed to learn and get better, but not as good as human beings, of course. Still, the scope of their operation is restricted to the programs written, among others. So I request you to add on the advantages and disadvantages and explore more. You are blessed.